Happy Black Friday there, Porsche 944 enthusiasts. We just took a ride in our V8 powered 944 to alleviate some of our air filter problems. I went back to the cheapy aftermarket 92mm throttle body on this thing to get my newer, bigger air filter in here. And as you can see, we kind of did mangle it up a little bit, having it squeezed in there with the other throttle body, but this will work for now. The permanent fix we're hoping is, here's one of our Black Friday shopping things, is this throttle body relocation pipe that Renegade Hybrids makes for the 996 Porsche V8 conversion. Apparently the back where the throttle body bolts onto the intake manifold when it's in one of these cars is even closer to the hood release mechanism and the back cross member than it is on this car. So they make this so you remove the throttle body, that way you have, you know, this much extra space that this pipe is back and a tight 90, and then you go off and you mount your throttle body out here. So that should be here in the coming week, I guess. And the other thing we're gonna get, I didn't even know they existed until I went to only944.com and saw this the other day. They make, for racing only, just to be sure that the DOT man is okay with this, because he's not. So these are not US DOT approved at all, but they are LED headlights, and they also make this nice glass thing, so this will fit right in the sealed beam of a 944. I looked at doing this a couple years ago, and you know, everything was kind of expensive and the lenses were plastic, and I was like, well, they're probably just gonna melt, so I held off. But now 944 only came up with one. I'm pretty jazzed, so we're gonna buy them today because it looks like they're on sale for $67.50. That's pretty cheap. It comes with the bulbs and everything you need to mount it. And these do not fit a 996, but they fit 924s, 944s through 91. And the other thing we're going to do is a wiper delete. They make this nice thing. Basically, you remove your rear window wiper, not your front wipers. We need wipers. But your rear window wiper is, I'm not sure why we have them on these cars, but we do. So that way you lose the wiper, you lose the motor and the wiring, and you save about 4 pounds. And you also don't have this weird looking wiper on the back of your car. So they're the things we're going to be getting for Black Friday goodness for our 944. We were just out and we got some gas, and looks like this time around we only got about 15.1 miles per gallon. So I guess we got to drive it more. I don't know, but yeah, that's about it. Happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday.